Hello everyone, my name is Janice Clarissa Dharma from Francis School. In this video, I would like to explain the results of my research, namely, ecoenzyme as an environmental friendly approach to water pollution. Water pollution has been a problem since years ago, yet we still haven't got a solution. Water sources are contaminated with different types of waste, such as organic, hazardous, and many more. Water pollution is not only dangerous for aquatic lives, but also humans can be impacted. Polluted water can also spread diseases such as typhoid, diarrhea, and polio. There are some solutions to reduce water pollution, but they are expensive. Actually, everyone is able to take part in reducing water pollution by producing ecoenzymes. Ecoenzyme is a solution of fermented organic waste such as fruit peels and vegetable waste. Organic waste is fermented together with molasses and water. The end product of ecoenzyme will look like this, and it has a fruity vinegar smell. By making ecoenzymes, we can also reduce the amount of trash in the landfill. Fermentation is an anaerobic process that converts carbohydrate into alcohol with the help of yeast. In this case, molasses is the source of energy to grow yeast in fruit skins and vegetables. Alcohol will be converted into acetic acid by acetic acid bacteria. This fermentation will also produce enzymes and probiotics. Fruit peels and vegetable waste has antimicrobial activities, and fermentation enhances these properties. Ecoenzyme also contains amylase, lipase, and protease. These are acidic enzymes. Amylase eliminates starch in water. This is important because starch can give pungent odor and color. Lipase eliminates fats and oils in water, and lastly, protease reduce excess amino acid in water. Ecoenzyme also contains acetic acid, which has disinfectant properties and promotes the growth of good bacteria. This research is done to find a solution to a worldwide problem, water pollution. We want to find a solution to water pollution which is low cost and easily made by everyone and effective in treating water pollution. But before we introduce this product into the society, we need to test its effectivity first. In this research, we want to know if the ecoenzyme is effective in treating water pollution and which type of ecoenzyme is the most effective in treating water pollution and why. But first, I have to show you how I got the water samples first. So here is a video on how I get the water sample. So now I'm going to show you how I get the water samples. So since we cannot get the river water due to the heavy current and flood, we decided to use another water sample. We decided to use water after washing dishes and clothes because it contains fats and oil, and also chemical compounds from dishwashing soap and detergent can be found in the river water. So first, we need to measure the volume of ecoenzyme with the ratio of 1 to 10, where 1 is the ratio for ecoenzyme and 10 is the ratio for water. We use 3 different types of ecoenzyme: the fruit ecoenzyme, fruit and vegetable mixed ecoenzyme, and the vegetable ecoenzyme. We use 3 different types of ecoenzyme because we want to see which type of ecoenzyme is the most effective in treating water pollution. Each type of ecoenzyme has to be 125 milliliters. Next, we have to measure the volume of water. The volume of water has to be 1250 milliliters. After we get all the samples measured, it is time for us to mix it. After mixing, it is time for us to put it into the container and bring it to the lab. Thank you for watching. These are the parameters that we test. We decided to test the physical and chemical parameters because it is important to keep those parameters according to standard, otherwise it will affect aquatic life. It is now time to test the water samples. Here are the methods that we used in this experiment. For pH test, we use the pH meter, and for the rest, we use a method called spectrophotometry. These are the results of the experiment. So, why does this happen? First, ecoenzyme removes odor with the help of amylase by reducing starch in water. pH decreases due to the acidic properties of ecoenzyme. Organic substances in water also escalates due to the presence of acetic acid, which is also organic. Water hardness increases due to the presence of calcium and magnesium in ecoenzyme. Nitrate increases due to the presence of acetic acid, which is food source for natural bacteria to consume nitrate. TDS level increases because there are more dissolved solids from ecoenzyme. Ecoenzyme increases electrical conductivity because it is made from fruits and vegetables, which have a lot of superconductive ions. Citric acid and water acts as electrolyte, which enables the flow of electricity. From these results, we can conclude that ecoenzymes are not effective in treating some water parameters such as pH, heavy metals, hardness, nitrate, and organic substances. There are also some factors leading to this. Ecoenzymes will work best if it is fermented for 3 months or more. In this experiment, the fermentation period for a vegetable ecoenzyme and fruit-vegetable mix ecoenzyme was 2 months and 3 weeks. The fermentation period for fruit ecoenzymes was exactly 3 months. Furthermore, ecoenzymes need some time to work properly with water. We didn't give much time for the ecoenzymes to react properly with the molecules in water sample. Precise method for taking sample and mixing still needs some review. Organic waste is still a huge problem on Earth. One of the easiest ways to diminish it is by making ecoenzymes. There are lots of other benefits of ecoenzymes. Ecoenzymes can be used as household cleaners and fertilizers. So, it is important to encourage people to make ecoenzymes. Water pollution is also a huge problem. There are some parameters that we haven't tested in this research, such as COD, BOD, bacteria, ammonia, and nitrogen. Ecoenzymes might be able to fix those parameters. More resources are required to identify the usefulness of ecoenzyme to water pollution. Thank you for watching.